Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. In part 2, we'll go deeper into tips for testing and maintaining your trailer truck battery to keep it running strong. Let's dive right in. Step-by-step guide to checking battery voltage. A voltage check takes just a few minutes but can save you from a no-start situation. Before you grab your multimeter, let's walk through the process safely and accurately. Preparing the battery for testing. A little prep work ensures reliable readings and reduces risks. Here's what to do first. Turn off all loads. Shut down the truck's engine, lights, and accessories. Even a small drawer can skew voltage readings. Clean the terminals. Corrosion or dirt creates resistance. Scrub terminals with a wire brush and baking soda mix, 1 tablespoon per cup of water. Rinse with clean water and dry. Check the environment. Test in a stable, dry area. Extreme cold or heat can temporarily affect voltage. Safety first. Wear gloves and safety glasses. Keep metal tools, or jewelry, away from terminals to avoid sparks. Interpreting voltage readings. Your multimeter gives a number, but what does it mean? Here's a quick reference to decode your battery's state. Voltage, 12 volts battery status action needed 12.6 volts to 12.8 volts, fully charged none, good to go 12.4 volts 75% charged recharge soon 12.2 volts 50% charged recharge immediately below 12.0 volts discharged charge or replace. Keynotes. Test after the battery rests for at least an hour, no charging or discharging, for the most accurate reading. A reading below 11.8 volts often indicates a dead cell or deep discharge. Recharging might not restore full function. Common mistakes to avoid. Checking trailer truck battery voltage seems simple, but small oversights can lead to bad decisions. Whether you're testing in a hurry or relying on old habits, these mistakes could leave you with a false sense of security, or worse, a dead battery mid-haul. Overlooking battery age and history. Batteries don't last forever, and old ones often tell lies with their voltage readings. A battery over 3 years old might show 12.6 volts when tested, only to fail under load. Here's why age matters. Sulfation buildup. Older batteries develop sulfate crystals that reduce capacity, even if voltage appears normal. Hidden damage. Internal shorts or plate corrosion can't always be spotted with a basic voltage check. Frequent, deep discharges. If the battery has been drained multiple times, its lifespan shortens dramatically. When to replace? If your battery is past its warranty period, usually 3 to 5 years, or struggles to hold a charge after recharging, don't trust the voltage reading alone. Pair testing with a load test or just swap it proactively. Quick tip. Write the install date on the battery with a permanent marker. No guesswork later. Ignoring environmental factors. Temperature and humidity don't just affect how a battery performs, they can distort your test results. Here's what to watch for. Cold weather. A battery at freezing temps may show lower voltage temporarily, but that doesn't always mean it's bad. Let it warm up before retesting. Heat exposure. High temperatures cause false highs, making a weak battery seem stronger than it is. Humidity. Moisture on terminals or probes can interfere with readings. Dry everything before testing. Simple fixes. Test in a sheltered area if possible. Wait 30 minutes after extreme weather changes before checking voltage. Store your multimeter in a climate-controlled spot to avoid calibration drift. Remember, a voltage check is just one piece of the puzzle. Combine it with visual inspections and load tests for the full picture. Best practices for battery maintenance. Checking your trailer truck's battery voltage is just one piece of the puzzle. To keep your batteries in top shape, you'll need a solid maintenance routine. A little effort now can save you from headaches and expensive replacements down the road. Routine inspection schedule. Batteries need regular checkups, but how often depends on usage. Sticking to a schedule helps catch small issues before they turn into big problems. Monthly checks. If you drive daily or cover long distances, test voltage every month. Heavy use means faster wear, so early detection is key. Quarterly checks. Trailers used less often, seasonally or intermittently, can go 3 months between checks. Just don't skip them entirely. After extreme conditions. If your truck sits through a heat wave or deep freeze, test the battery afterward. Extreme weather accelerates wear. Quick tip. Add battery checks to your regular maintenance log. A simple note helps track trends over time. Extending battery lifespan. A good battery should last 3 to 5 years, but bad habits can cut that short. Here's how to keep yours running longer. Avoid deep discharges. Draining a battery below 50% regularly damages its cells. Recharge before it drops too low. Use a smart charger. Dumb chargers can overcharge, cooking the battery. Smart chargers adjust power flow automatically, preventing damage. Keep terminals clean. Corrosion blocks current flow. A quick scrub with baking soda and water keeps connections strong. Store properly. If parking your trailer long term, disconnect the battery and store it in a cool, dry place. Charge it fully first. Bonus tip: rotate batteries in multi-battery setups. Even where ensures none fail prematurely. Stick to these habits, and your batteries will reward you with reliable starts and fewer surprises. No one wants to deal with a dead battery in the middle of a haul. Proactive care keeps you moving. Now that you know how to test voltage, spot warning signs, and maintain your battery, it's time to put it into practice. Grab your multimeter, check your battery today, and share this guide with drivers who could use the reminder. A few minutes now could mean fewer headaches later. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.